I'm back! Oh my gosh, I am officially back from Hawaii. I am back, even though I didn't want to come back. I'm back. But it was truly a magical experience. I kind of want to do a random rambles video all about it. I just feel like I have so much to say. But for today's video, we are doing a Boxycharm unboxing. I'm gonna leave all that sappy stuff for another video. I know you are here for one thing and one thing only. And by the way, before I get into this video, if you're wondering what this is, that's tape. I'm actually remodeling my beauty room. Well, not remodeling. That was dramatic. I'm redecorating, reorganizing. I'm changing up my beauty room in a very, very, very big way. I hate change. I'm afraid of it. I mean, you guys know this has been in my beauty room for like 6 years, literally, since I started my channel. And I haven't wanted to move anything around, but I decided that change is necessary in life, and I am really changing this room up. Which, by the way, is that something you guys want to see, like the process of? Do you want me to document this whole thing? I can do a whole before and after video. If that's something you want to see, let me know in the comments below and I will document the whole thing. And another thing, do you guys recognize my shirt? Well, I'm gonna give it away by saying this, but if you can tell me what episode and what show this shirt is from, let me know. But anyway, let's begin. Oh my gosh, I feel like I haven't filmed in forever. Like, I really haven't filmed in over. It's been over a week. That's so rare for me. Oh my gosh. Hi guys, how have you been? I hope you're all doing well. Okay, let's get started. So this is what the box looks like this month. The theme is Boxycharm All Access. So the first thing in the box is this guy, and it's actually a face mask, but I won't be using it in today's video because it's a sleeping face mask. This is the Dr. Brandt Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. That is something I am extremely interested in. I love anything that claims to like calm the skin and soothe the skin. I love trying products like that. So I'm very, very, very excited to try this. And the fact that it deeply hydrates, I'm all about it. I have very dry skin. It says it's powered by Biotic Balancing Complex, whatever that is, but I'm very excited to use it. I'm gonna use it tonight, and maybe I will update you guys in the morning, like on my Instagram stories or something like that. But hopefully I like it. This is a full-size product, and I think this is a full-size product, right? Yeah, this is full size. And this retails for $52. Damn, that's expensive. Hopefully it's good. I'm very, very excited. I love getting skincare products in the box. I think that's like my favorite thing to get. Oh my God, my hair looks crazy. I need to cut my hair so bad. My ends are like toast. Like fried toasty toast. No, me tengo que teñir el pelo, me tengo que cortar el pelo, estoy de madre. Alright, moving on. Okay, so the next thing in the box is this. This is from the brand Royal and Langnickel. I used to really, really love these brushes when I first started my channel. This is the MODA Pro collection, and this is their 5-piece brush kit. It is a full-size kit, obviously, and this retails for $27.95. Ooh. They feel, oh my gosh, they feel really, really nice. This is soft touch and like textured. Ooh, and they feel super, super soft. I feel like the only one I'm not gonna use is this. I never really use angled brushes like this, but these other ones I can totally see myself using all the time. All right, I'm gonna use them now for the next product because of course, we have a palette. I feel like we have a palette every month. Or am I crazy? Has there recently been a month where we didn't get a palette? I don't think so, right? No, it should have been like last month. Memory of a goldfish. But okay, we're gonna use those brushes with this guy. This is the Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette, and it looks like this. I was really excited when I first opened it up because it looks like a really pretty everyday palette. Like, you have your everyday shadows right here, I would say. I mean, if orange is a color you wear every day, I do. But I feel like this is your everyday eyeshadow palette right here. And then you have this fun pop of purple and green. So I think it's a really nice palette. So I'm gonna be using this on my eyes today, but there's more. I'm also gonna test out this thing because this is also in the box, and we might as well because it's for the eyes. This is from the brand Hank & Henry, and it's the Slick With It Blickity Black Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. I don't know if that's referencing something. Blickity black. But it says it's a black eyeliner that dries down to a satin matte finish, and it's extremely long wearing and transfer resistant. So I'm excited to try this Blickity black eyeliner. This eyeliner is a full-size product, and it retails for $20, and this palette retails for $29. And okay, you know the drill. This isn't our first rodeo. Let's see how these perform. Okay, so I'm completely done with the eyes and I really like how my eyes turned out. I was pleasantly surprised by the pink I put all over my lid. This shade right here called Pink. It was super pigmented even without using it wet. I went ahead and applied it with some setting spray, but I honestly didn't feel like I needed to. I just wanted to make the shadow pop a little bit more. But even on its own, it's super pigmented. I used every single shade in this palette except the green. I feel like everything blended out really nicely. I really enjoyed this palette like a lot, especially the mattes. They're very creamy and buttery. As for the liquid liner, I found it so easy to use. It's not the most matte black in the world, but it is a nice finish. It's kind of like a satin finish, which I don't mind. It's not super shiny, and I did really enjoy the applicator. It's just like a felt tip marker, but it was really easy to use. It's just like swooped on. I mean, they're not the same. I struggle with eyeliner, but it was easy to use, you know? I feel like it could have been a lot worse, especially since it's the first time I use it, and usually when I use a new eyeliner for the first time, it doesn't go that well, but I liked it. I really did like it, actually. I'm gonna be using this a ton, I feel. But anyway, we have one more product in the box, and I might as well just show you right here, so we can pop it on the face. This is from Laura Geller, and I actually got really excited when I saw this in the box because this used to be like a cult favorite on YouTube. 2015, I think 2015, this was like the highlighter. If you weren't wearing Laura Geller Gilded Honey, what were you wearing? If you remember this highlight, you've been watching YouTube for a long time. I'm gonna take this IT Cosmetics highlight brush. By the way, like I said, this is Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator in the shade Gilded Honey, and it retails for $26. You can get this at Ulta. It's a really beautiful golden color, and I never used to wear it that much because it was always just a little bit too deep for me, especially with my like natural skin tone. But now that I have a tan from Hawaii, this might work. So let's see. Ooh, so golden, so beautiful. Absolutely stunning. I think it's amazing that we get that in the box. Just gonna apply some setting spray so everything melts into the skin. And my electric fan is in the drawer, but I don't feel like bending over right now. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lip, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so that's it. Those were all the products that were in this month's Boxycharm. I was actually really impressed with this month's box. I'm looking at everything and I don't think there's anything that I was even like about, except, I mean, not except, but I don't know if this is any good. I haven't tried it, but everything else was really great. I even liked the eyeliner, and I always feel like there's something in the box that I'm just like about, you know, there's always that one product, but everything in the box was like really great. This highlight, amazing. The most beautiful golden glow, like a true classic. You cannot go wrong with this. The eyeshadow palette was so blendable and so good, and even the brushes were so soft. I really enjoyed using them as well. I really like this box this month. It's definitely a really good one. Oh, let's add everything together. Where's my phone? So the overall value of the box this month is over $154. Damn, that's a lot. It's definitely because that one product was 52 bucks, the skincare item. So the value of this box is a lot this month. Damn, that's expensive. And it's amazing considering you only pay $21. So I will leave the Boxycharm website down below like I always do. But I really liked this month. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below letting me know if you liked your box this month. What did you get? Did we get the same things? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Let me know in the comments below. But yeah guys, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Blickity black. I don't know if that's referencing something.